Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, the author of Te Reo Singalong books, and today I thought I'd give you some ideas about how to make the most of Te Haerenga. So Te Haerenga means the journey, and no matter what age children you're working with, I'm sure they could do something with the New Zealand map. This is the example that we've got here, which is the places that this Kiwi travels along. And this sentence structure could work for you, for the children. So, I Haereo, so they could do these place names or wherever they've been, particularly if it's a Māori place name, to practice the pronunciation. You could have a big map, and the children could put down the arrows towards the places they've been. So let's say somebody's been to Hokitika. There's an arrow there, and they could have a picture of themselves or a photo, and their sentence would be I Haereo, I went to I Haereo ki Hokitika, and this says kite, to see. And so it's whatever, they might not have particularly seen this, they might have seen something else. They might have seen their grandparents or something. So I think it's just a good idea to extend out from this. And also, this book only contains 10 place names. So perhaps you're in a place that has got a Māori name but isn't in here. So the children could make their own extra pages and parts of the song about your place name and making sure that we're pronouncing it correctly. So hopefully that sparks a few ideas for you. I think there's a lot of possibilities within this book, around about the souvenirs, around about the different places, around about the things that the Kiwi sees in those places. Lots and lots of opportunities for you to extend on that and do some really good work right through the curriculum. Ka kite.